click the Apply to Register link, where you'll be taken to the pre-application page. You will find links to the privacy notice, practice guidance and code of professional practice. You'll need to confirm you have read and agreed to these and that you intend to practice in social care in Wales. We have practice guidance for each role requiring registration. Simply select the guidance which relates to the role you are applying as. We have information on the codes of professional practice, as well as full and easy read versions of the code. You must agree to abide by these as a registered social care professional. Once you have read and agreed to the documents, you can proceed to the application form. You will then need to tell us if you've ever been registered with us before and choose the role for which you are applying for. You will then be taken to the Before You Start page, which has information on what you'll need to hand to complete your application. When you have completed a section, a green tick will show next to that section on the form. If something is not complete, you will see the yellow exclamation sign telling you that we need some more information. If you are having trouble submitting your form, you can contact us on the email shown.